I'm Jay, owner of Volunteer Audio in Oliver Springs, Tennessee, and I've got an amazing deal for you. So previously this year, we got about 1,500 Kenwood headsets in. They sold out in 3 days, so pay attention. This is an awesome deal. These are Sena motorcycle helmet headsets. They're going to allow you to communicate to your passenger. They're going to allow you to Bluetooth music to them, and they have a 4K camera on them like a GoPro, so while going down the road, you can get the footage of your ride right on the side of your helmet. These are normally $400. At volunteeraudio.com, I've got a very limited supply. We got like 60 some odd of these in stock at 150 bucks a piece. So $250 off, you're getting a Sena headset. It does not do the mesh network. It does a Bluetooth network, so you can connect to up to 4 other riders. Great for you and your passenger to talk on your phone, to talk to each other, to listen to music, but also record your ride. Like I say, $149.99 each, free shipping. 60 some odd of these in stock. This is a great pre-Thanksgiving Black Friday special that we're going to be running for you. It's not going to last long. Brand new units, warranted. If some reason it didn't work, we're going to take care of you. It's not going to be an issue. We sold a ton of these earlier in the year and they were phenomenal. If you bought some then and are wishing you could get more, now's your time. If not, this is an awesome deal and you need to jump on it. Thank you so much for watching, and happy Thanksgiving.